Once you understand price structure, the next step is choosing the right lens for your trade. That's where your chart timeframe controls come in. Just above the chart, you'll find options to switch between 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour, and daily views. These control how much price history is displayed and how compressed or detailed each candle appears. Use shorter time frames like 5 minutes or 15 minutes to zoom in on momentum setups or short-term scalps. Want to see where price fits in the bigger picture? Switch to 1H or daily to analyze broader market structure. It's important to note that all trade signals are generated using the 15-minute chart, which we've found to offer the best balance between noise reduction and signal accuracy. Each time frame also loads its own AI-calibrated pivot structure and SR map. So the system adapts to how you trade, not the other way around. Trade the way you want. The structure will follow. Signals are optimized for the 15-minute chart. Market memory. Market memory is one of the most unique tools in your terminal, and something you won't find on traditional charting platforms. It's a patent-pending engine that analyzes years of historical price behavior, looking for setups that closely resemble today's conditions, not just based on pattern shapes, but on structure, volatility, momentum, and behavioral rhythm. When a close match is found, it's shown inside the market memory panel, along with a visual preview of how price behaved after the match occurred. You can scroll through each one and study how the market moved. Did it break down? Did it range? Was there a clean continuation? Each snapshot is like a real-world playbook from the past, letting you learn from it instantly. This isn't a backtest, it's behavioral alignment, and it helps you reinforce or challenge your trade decisions based on how similar environments played out before. Smart traders don't just ask, "What now?" They ask, "When has this happened before?" Let's go deeper, because this is important. Most traders are taught to visually identify common chart patterns like head and shoulders, double tops, flags, and triangles. And one of the most cited sources is Thomas Bulkowski's statistical study from Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns, which analyzed thousands of patterns. And here's the reality. Those patterns only occur in a small percentage of market phases. Studies show that classic chart patterns appear in less than 10% of total price action. And even when they do form, their success rates vary. Head and shoulders, approximately 68% success. Double tops and bottoms, approximately 65%. Triangles, approximately 60 to 63%. Flags and pennants, 67 to 70%, but rare. Cup and handle, 65 to 70%, but occurs in less than 2% of all setups. That means even the best traditional setups fail 30 to 40% of the time. And that's if the pattern is perfectly formed and not distorted by news or volatility. Worse, these patterns are highly subjective. One trader's double top is another trader's messy consolidation. And in fast markets, by the time a pattern is confirmed, the opportunity's already gone. Market memory solves that. It doesn't look for textbook shapes, it looks for structural alignment. It asks, how did price behave in similar conditions? What was the volatility like? Did momentum accelerate or stall? Was it a reversal zone or continuation setup? Then it shows you real historical matches. So instead of guessing what might happen, you see what has happened when the market looked like this. It essentially gives traders instant access to a behavioral library of price setups, calibrated by AI, not human memory. AIS isn't built around just one market. The system actively scans and analyzes over 35 instruments, including cryptocurrencies, indices, forex, and commodities. In the top right corner of your terminal, you'll find the multi-asset dropdown. This lets you switch between any of the tracked instruments instantly. When you select a new asset, the entire dashboard updates automatically, showing you the current signal, chart, pivot levels, market state, and active alerts for that instrument. No need to open a new chart, log into another platform, or do any manual switching. Just select and trade. AIS helps you trade the whole market, not just one piece of it.